dog is on probation. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my baby. No time, no.
Nice dresses, but today I think I have those also. So this is me, and I want to try those switches. Since I didn't show you my feet when I left the house, this is my feet. Guys, this is the name of the shop, guys. It's Unique You Retail Wholesaler. So I'm leaving now. I don't know if the shop is on. Thank you. So they do have a sale going. Even these tracks, they are on sale for $800. On sale. Let's go to the bags and see what they have. And this is me. So they do have these bags on sale. Let's see. Okay. This is for $1.99. Let me plug you ladies. Check this out. Check this earrings out. And you buy 2 for 129 rand. So guys, now for now I'm not sure. I'm just still So guys, this is what I think I'll get. I was not here for this one, the smell is just... And that would work. Now I'm at Woolworths. past 12, 10 past 12. So I'm in my bathroom. I need to wash my wig. I need to wash one of my wigs that I want to install. So yeah, let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. So I'm not gonna wash like the whole wig. I just wanna wash like the front part, the closure. So I'm not gonna wash this part. I'm just gonna wash the front part so that I remove the glue. Actually, I'm not washing it out. So okay guys, I've removed all the glue on the closure. So now I'm just gonna comb. Okay, I'm just gonna comb the hair. Then I'm gonna put it on my wig head just so that it dries out nicely. Then later on, I'll then install it. Later on, and then install it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, now yesterday became quite hectic for me. I couldn't install this week, so I decided that I'll just do it today. I was very tired, so I decided no, I'll just do it today. So yeah, I installed it. Then this is the outcome. So now guys, I'm heading to town, so we'll talk when we talk. Love you guys. Saturday, Saturdays in town are quite busy, but today it's a quiet one. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I just came back from the museum. It was like fun just learning about, the history of our country and like just nature on its own. It was amazing because usually that's not something that I would go for, but surprisingly vandaag just decided that, you know what, I need to go there. I need to go there. So okay guys, I came to take this video because I had to like unbox the perfume that I bought that day at the beginning of this vlog at Signature. It's a very like, it's very cheap. So it's this perfume ne? They were two for I think 410, two of them. So I've already opened the first one, and then this one I haven't opened as yet. I don't know if I should like open it with you or what, but then I'll just open it with you just to show you how it's. So okay, it has a plastic like just to protect this box maybe from getting dirt and stuff. Okay, so this is the packaging of the perfume. It's like extremely protected, you see. Then here is my fighter, guys. I really love this perfume, guys. Like the smell, the smell is just amazing, guys. The smell like is just amazing. So they were two, right? But then as I've said that I've already opened the first one. It's this one. I threw away the box, but then it's this one. It's Hair Essence, and this one. 2 for 110. So I'm plugging you guys. You must go get those perfumes. 2 for 110 rand. And then secondly and lastly, remember I told you guys that I'm gonna go to Fortune, but then I'm not gonna buy because it's not on my budget. But then when I arrived, I don't know if I showed you guys, there was a sale like for bags and like some few clothing items. Yeah, so this bag, guys, this amazing pink handbag, I got it for you won't believe it, I got this bag for like 199 rand at Foschini. I love it for me, guys. So I did have a pink handbag, just that the one that I have, like, it's very casual. It's not the kind of handbag that I would just like pick for maybe a night date or stuff like that. It's just that handbag that I use when I go to run errands and stuff. So I decided that, you know what, the child need a handbag. The child need a pink handbag, guys. Luckily this was on sale, so I decided that why not, why not, why not. Its original price is, it's 350, I think. Yeah, but then I got it for 199 because it was on sale. I love the details of this handbag, though it doesn't have much details, but then I love everything. I just love everything about it. It's giving, it's giving the girl that I think I am. So this is the receipt. Yeah, I was right, it was like for 199, sorry guys. So guys, this was all for that day. Now I'm just gonna go remove my makeup, wear something warm because this clothes, it's not warm for indoors, so I'll just wear something warm, then go cook. After that, I don't have any other plans, so I just think that this is just how I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. And something that I forgot to tell you guys, right? This was actually my first vlog. This was just my first vlog, guys. So I hope I did the best that I can. So I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. And guys, you can just leave comments if you want me to do a get to know me now, because I wasn't planning to do it like anytime soon. So if you just can't wait to know who's this girl, drop up your comments. Then guys, I'll just do a get to know me video for you guys. Nyani tanda nyan nyan.